After you've created a purchase order, received your inventory, then you can enter your bills against inventory once you receive them. The first thing you want to do is put in the name of your vendor, in this case Perry Windows and Doors, and any item receipts you have will be listed here. We only have one. We'll select it and click OK. Now you can see that we're on a bill. Let's go ahead and fill this out. You can see that it pulled a lot of information for us. It has the vendor name already, the address. Make sure your terms are correct. Remember, if you use one of these two, then you can set a discount date as well. There's also a place for a memo. You can type anything you'd like in that memo field. Over on the right is where we're going to set the date. And this is the date that's actually printed on that bill. Then you'll go ahead and put in that reference number. And then we're going to change the amount. Remember that when you create a purchase order, the amount is only for those items. It doesn't include any sales tax, shipping, any of that. Let's say that they're charging us an extra $25 for a delivery fee, so we'll change that to $14.50. You want to make sure the bill due date is correct, and if you're using the class feature, go ahead and put in the correct class. We have our items already pulled in. That total is $1,425. We need to add our freight and delivery fee. That's going to go over on the Expenses tab. This is your chart of accounts, and all you're going to do is type in that account. In this case, it's freight and delivery, and then fill any information that you need across on that line. This is a good example of how to split your costs between your items and your expenses, these two tabs. You're very familiar with everything here already. I don't think we're going to go back through any of that. You do have reports as well. You can look through those, and then there's your search feature. I'm just going to head to the bottom and save and close. Anytime you've created a bill from an item receipt, you will get this message saying that this transaction is linked to others and it's asking if you want to change it. Always say yes there. And now that bill has been entered in QuickBooks. You do not have to go and enter it here at a later date because you've already done it right here. That's really all there is to handling your bills for items when you use the purchase orders and create your item receipt going through it this way. Let's go ahead now and just head over to video number 6, and we'll briefly talk about how to pay for your items when you're not using the purchase order system.